Yes, hi, good morning. My name is Darakshan. I actually work at the Urban Institute's Justice Policy Center where I focus on research on victims of crime. And when it comes to Native women, particularly the statistic of 1 out of 3, actually in some states it's 2 out of 3. And one of the reasons is because tribes do not have the jurisdiction to prosecute any felony crime. So that includes not only sexual assault, but it also includes homicide. And as a result, what has happened is only the federal system can handle any felony crimes. And a lot of times, tribal police are actually referring cases to the federal government, but because of the fact they don't have either FBI agents or there's a policy that they will only take worst of the worst cases, what is happening is many of the felony cases are falling through the cracks. And sadly, adult sexual assault cases particularly are not seen as serious as, let's say, for example, a child sexual abuse case or in a homicide case. And so as a result, that's one of the major gaps. Now, the federal government did try to alleviate this problem by passing the Tribal Law and Order Act, which was passed recently. However, the issue with that act is that tribes must show that they have the equivalent of the U.S. criminal justice system in order to actually take on sovereignty to prosecute federal crimes or felony crimes. But a lot of tribes do not have the money or the funding to provide that kind of training. And since the federal law itself did not actually give tribes any money, a lot of tribes still cannot handle felony cases, are not allowed to. And so that's one of the major issues. Prosecutions rarely ever happen. I mean, we know prosecutions in just normal sexual assault cases in the U.S. criminal justice system are rarely being prosecuted. So just imagine with the added barrier that you have where only federal law enforcement can handle a case, that number even gets smaller. Thank you.